There is construction outside, so I'm going to be quick about this intro and utilizing this microphone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm an illustrator, and for today's video, I'm going to be finishing the drawings that I owe my fan patrons over on my Patreon. Every quarter, I send out original drawings as well as merch to them. Click the link on the description to look at the 2 tiers that are available for my Patreon. So this is going to be a drawing vlog. This is the paper that I'm using for the drawings. Currently I have 4 fan patrons, but the only 3 are eligible this quarter. So here is one of those 3 drawings. This person, they actually requested a drawing of Alice when she was a kid. And if you've read the comic, which you can, there's a link below, chapters 1 and 2 are available, you would know that little Alice had a baby goat as a friend. Here's an attempt at another drawing. This is Simon. He's part of the group of knights. I don't think I'm going to be sending this one away because the proportions are really weird. I know that it's supposed to be at an angle, but I think I drew his head too big, even with the angle like that. Definitely not going to use that. I got 2 drawings left to make. Not too bad. It is 4 o'clock. I got back from day job at around 1:30, so I was at this for about an hour and a half. While drawing, I've been watching these documentaries on YouTube about the fall of Rome. I'm on part 2 now. Sounds like construction is almost done. They're definitely collecting all the debris and putting in a dumpster. So that was a hot mess of an intro. Lastly, before we jump into the next drawing, do you like my shirt? It was my husband's when he was in his 20s. It's cute. It like fits me perfectly. It's very comfy. And we got 1 more drawing to go. I don't quite know what I'm going to draw since they didn't specify. Totally fine. I just need to think about it.
Though in reality, Romans had little respect for barbarian kings. Praetorians came marching into the room, seized the Gothic leadership, slaughtered their retainers in front of them. Yet somehow, word got out of the treachery, and a mass brawl broke out. Advancing cautiously through the mountains, both armies finally met.
taking a quick break to make some tea and snack on some kimchi. You can't have that, it's too salty. I'll give you a snack. Give me a second, I'll give you a snack. On top of the original drawings, I'm also going to be sending them, for this quarter, one of my sloth stickers. I sell a bunch of sloth merch that I've drawn on my Etsy store. You can find the Etsy store link on my website. I figured I would add a little extra something with their drawings. And that's it for today's video. A very noisy drawing vlog. That was the UPS truck. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything in particular you thought about. It really helps with my algorithm. YouTube doesn't really know what to do with my content. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. Thanks!